Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and this is the video in the continuation of finding the last two digits. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to find out the last two digits of an even number. Okay, suppose we have a base which is ending with an even number. So how to find out the last two digits of such numbers? For example, if you have 22 raised to the power 46. Okay, so this is the base and this is the power. So here you can see that the base is ending with 2. This base is ending with 2. So hence it is an even number. So if you expand it, this 22 raised to the power 46, if you expand it, then what will be the last two digits of such numbers, of this number? Okay. So before I start talking about how to find out the last two digits of an even number, 3 points you have to keep in mind. The first point is that if you have 24 and 24 raised to the power an odd number, 24 raised to the power an odd number, you will always get 24 as the last two digits. Okay. Next, if you have 24 raised to the power an even number, then you will always get 76, 76 as the last two digits, right? And if you have 76 to the power any natural number, then you will be getting what? You will be getting always 76, 76 as the digits at the unit place, right? So basically, what you have to do, you have to try and get either 24 and 76, right? See, what I'm trying to tell here is, suppose you have 2 power 48, right? 2 power 48. Now you have to find out the last two digits of this 2 power 48. Okay. So one thumb rule you have to keep in mind is, and that is 2 power 10 is what? 2 power 10 is 1024. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell here is, if you convert this 2 power 48 in the form of 2 power 10, then you will get 24, 24 as the last two digits. Okay. Now, how can you convert this 2 power 48 in the form of 2 power 10? So I can write this 2 power 48 as 2 power 40 and plus 8. So this can be written as 2 power 40 into this 2 power 8, right? Now look at this 2 power 40. Now what is this? This 2 power 40 can be written as 2 power 10 and whole to the power 4, right? So 2 power 10 whole to the power 4 and into 2 power 8. Now what is 2 power 8? 2 power 8 is 64, right? Sorry, 2 power 8 would be your 256, right? This is 256. So hence the last two digits of 2 power 8 are 5 and 6. Now, if you look at this 2 power 10, 2 power 10 is 1024. Okay. So I can say, I can write here, instead of writing 1024, I can only write 24 because 24 are the last two digits of 2 power 10. Okay. Now see, this 24 raised to the power 4 into this 56. I will take only 56 because my main concern is to find out the last two digits. So in every step, I will choose only the last two digits of every number. Okay. Now, 24 to the power an even number. You see, 24 to the power an even number, I always get 76, right? So here I can write 76. Okay. 24 to the power any even number, I get 76 as the last two digits. So this is 76 into 56. Now, if you multiply these two, 76, 5, 6. If you multiply these two, 6, 6 are 36. You take 6 here and put 3 as a carry. Then multiply these two in the form of cross multiplication. This will be 7 6 are 42 and this is 5 6 are 30. Okay. 42 and 30, if you add them, you will get 72. 72 plus 3, 75. 70. From 75, you take 5 and put 7 as a carry. So this 5 6. See, this 56 you will be getting as the last two digits of this 2 power 48. Okay, it's quite easy. So our main concern is that if we see any even number, we will try to convert the even number in the form of what? In the form of 2 power 10. Okay, in the form of 2 power 10. Let me give you one more example that will make the things more easier to you. So let's say I have this number 362 raised to the power, 362 raised to the power this 405. Okay, let me take this random number. These type of questions you get to see in the exams. So you have to find out the last two digits of this number. Okay, the last two digits of this number. So how to find out? So first of all, I will write it like this: 2 into. Now, if you are writing this 362 in the form of 2 into something, then you will have to divide this 362 by 2. So this will be 2 ones are 2, 8s are 16, and this 181. Okay, so this is 362 is what? 2 into 181. Now 2 into 181 whole to the power 405. This can be written as 2 power 405 into 181 whole to the power 405, right? Now see, this 2 power 405 and this 181 whole to the power 405. Now this is very easy because here in the base number, you have this 1 at the unit place. So what will be the last two digits of this part? That will be here, 1 will come, and this 8 into this 5. So 8 into 5 is how much? 40. 40 means 0. Take this 0. So this 0 will come here, means 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1, right? Now you have to change this 2 power 405 in the form of 2 power 10 somehow. How can you do that? If I write this 2 power 405 as 2 power 5 into 2 power 400 and multiplication with this is already 0, 1. Now see, 2 power 5 is what? 32. 2 power 400 can be written as 2 power 10 and whole to the power 40, right? Whole power 40. Now into this 0, 1, 0, 1, or you can simply take 1 because 0, 1 is equals to 1 only. Okay. Now see, 2 power 10 for this part, the last two digits are 24. We have discussed that already. This is 24 whole to the power 40. Okay, whole power 40. Now, into 1 and 32. Now, you know, if you have 24 to the power an even number, you always get what? You always get 7 6. Okay, so here 24 to the power an even number, you will get 76 into 1 into 32. Now 76 into 1 is 76 only. So 32 into 76 will give you the last two digits. So I can find out the answer 76 into 32. So this 2 6 are 12, 2 putting 1 as a carry, then cross multiplication, 7 2s are 14 and 6 3s are 18. Okay, 18 and 14, if you add them, how much will you get? 32, right? 32 plus 1, 33 means 3. This 3 2, the last two digits of this multiplication, 3 2 will be the answer. So if you multiply these two, you will be getting 3 2 as the last two digits. So I can say that for 362 whole to the power 405, for this expression, for this question, the last two digits are 32. I hope it is clear. So this is how we can find out for any question. Suppose we have, let's say we have 144 to the power 144. Now you might be thinking, sorry, we have 4 at the unit place. No issues. So if you see here, this 44, it is divisible by 4, right? So I can write it like this: 4 into 4 3s are 12. Just one moment. Yeah. And 4 6 are. I can write it like this. Okay. Or simply you can put it like this. This is 16 nines are 144 is 16 into 9, right? So instead of doing it this way, you can directly write it like 16 into 9. That is 144. Now whole to the power 144. Okay, right? Now see, this is 16. This is what? This is 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 into 9 whole to the power 144. Okay. So this is your, now 2 power 4 is what? 6. Don't open it as 16. So you can write it like this: 2 power 4 and whole to the power 144. Okay. Now into 9 to the power 144. Now see, here this can be written as 9 square and whole to the power this 144 by 2. Okay. Why we are taking 9 square? Because 9 square is 81. So 81 may we have 1 at the unit place, right? So if you divide this 144 by 2, you will be getting how much? 72. Okay. Now 9 square is 81. So 81 to the power 72. 81 to the power 72. How much we will get? We will get 1 here at the unit place, and 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16, means 6 here at the tens place. So 61 will come here. For this part, the last two digits are 61. Now we have to find out the last two digits for this part. Now 2 power 4 whole to the power 144. So if you multiply these powers, you will get 2 power 4 into 144. Now let me solve this part here separately. So 2 power 4 into 144 means how much? This will be 16, 6, putting 1, 70, and putting 1, 576. Okay. Yeah, it is correct. So now see, how can you convert this part in the form of 2 power 10 and whole to the power something? How can you convert this? Now that is the main question. Now see, this thing, this 576, how can you write this? 576 can be written as, this is your 500, 2 power 570 and plus 6. This is how you can break it. Okay. Now see, this is your 2 power 570 into 2 power 6. Okay. Now 2 power 570 is what? This is 2 power 10 and whole power 57 into, now what is 2 power 6? What is this 2 power 6? 2 power 6 is your 64. Yes, it is 64. Okay. Now 2 power 8 means the last two digits of 2 power 10 are 24. So 24 whole to the power 57 into 64. Okay. I hope it is clear till now. Now 24 to the power an odd number. If you have 24 to the power odd number, you always get 24. 24 only at the unit place. So for this, you will get 24. So 24 into 64. So what are the last two digits for this? Multiply them. 24 into 64. So 4 4s are 16, 6 putting 1 as carry. Then this cross multiplication, 6 4s are 24 and 2 4s are 8. So 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So it means 36. 36 is are the last two digits for this 2 power 576. So I can write here 36. Now this 36 into this 61. This 36 into this 61. So if you multiply these two, 36 into 61. So 1 into 6 is 6, and the 6 6 are, and this 3 into 1. So 6 6 is 36. 36 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 36 plus 3, that is 39. Okay. From 39, you take 9 and put 3. Means 96. 96 means 9 6. So 9 6 are the last two digits of 144 whole to the power 144. So this is how we can solve such questions. Okay. So I hope it is clear. If it is not clear, you can rewatch this video. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can put it in the comment box also. I'm giving you one question to solve on your own. 88 raised to the power 106. Okay. Try to find out the last two digits of this number for this, and also for let's say we have 146 raised to the power, let's say 444. So these two questions you solve on your own, and once you solve them, you put your answer in the comment box. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. And in case if you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box. And if you liked it, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also try to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.